Networking is a function of time. Things don't just immediately happen. Life doesn't work that way. In fact, it usually takes 10, 20 years to see results from all the work that you're going to be doing. And it's still worth it. It's still worth the investment. Here's an example. I work in the music industry, and all the people that I came up with are now vice presidents of huge multinational companies, top touring sound engineers, professional backline technicians who travel the world with all of your favorite artists. And these are people I call up for anything that I ever need. These are close family friends. I'd never get the access to these people now if I were just trying to meet them. But I have that access because of the time I spent 20 years ago just being friendly, making friends, meeting new people. So the answer, what can you do to best advance your career, is to start investing in it now. There's nothing that you're going to do to make it go faster, but you can control how much better it gets. Spend time outside of your workspace. Meet people who do not inhabit your same social circle, your same work sphere. Join extracurricular activities. If you're into acting, join an acting troupe. Do whatever you can to meet more people that you would not have met, and spend quality time developing real relationships with those people and keep track of them by putting them in a CRM system.